Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are good and you have continued with your studies. After Periodic Test 1, we are back here again with Periodic Test 2 syllabus. Today, we will be studying about the third chapter, Adaptation in Animals. In this chapter, we will study about animals, where and how they live, how they adapted to the environment, and what are their features. The list of topics we will cover today are habitat, adaptation, adaptation to environment, terrestrial animals, and in terrestrial animals we will study about desert animals and the animals living in polar regions. Habitat. We know that many types of animals are found on our earth, but their existence is confined to different parts of earth only. According to the requirement or need, animals are found in different places. The reason being that all our organisms cannot survive in same kind of environment because the requirements are different. So with this, now we can understand what is an habitat. Habitat is the place where an organism lives. It provides an organism food, air, water, shelter, whatever they need to live. Everything is fulfilled through the proper habitat. So the definition would be a habitat is an ecological or environmental area that is inhabited by a particular species of animals, plants, or other type of organisms. On Earth, there are different type of habitats. Now you have already known what is habitat. It is a place or home of any animal or the place where an organism lives. As there are different type of organism, there are different type of habitat also. Some of the habitats are forest, desert, polar regions, mountains, oceans, and fresh water. Adaptation. As different type of animals need or require different type of habitat, they possess special features that help them to survive in their environment because all organisms can't survive in all conditions as the climate may not suit them. So in such case, there are certain features an organism possess so that they could live or survive better, and that ability to survive better in an environment, that is called adaptation. So your definition would be adaptation is an inherited characteristics that help an organism to survive long enough to breed, reproduce, find food, and also to raise their young ones more successfully in its changing environment. Adaptation to environment. As we all know that some animals could not live in some places, like camels cannot live in polar regions. Similarly, polar bears cannot survive in dry and hot climate. The animals that do not adapt to the environment makes them difficult to survive and they die out slowly. So on the basis of their habitat, they are divided into 5 major groups: terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, amphibians, arboreal animals, and aerial animals. Terrestrial animals. As you can see in the picture, you can see the zebra. Zebra walks on land. Everything it do is connected to the land on the earth crust. So terrestrial means connected with the planet Earth. But when the term animal is connected to the term terrestrial, it means animals that live predominantly or entirely on land rather than air or water. Even we humans, we are also known as terrestrial animals. Some of the other examples could be tigers, elephants, horses, cows, pigs, giraffes, and there are many more who are terrestrial animals that live on land. Now let's see some features of terrestrial animals. These animals, as we know, that they can live on land, and that's the reason they have special features that help them to survive and live on land. They have legs which help them to move, run fast, catch their prey, and protect themselves from becoming prey of other animals. If we take a case of a lion and a deer, lion is a predator which hunts deer, and deer is its prey. They have developed lungs through which they can breathe, same as in human beings. They have developed sense organs to see, to hear, to feel, to taste. They also have different body coverings like fur, scales, hair suited to the habitat they live. Like fur, polar bear have fur. Scales, reptiles like snake have scales, hair. Like lion, tiger, zebras, they have hair and they are suited to the habitat they live. Animals in desert. If we talk about Rajasthan in our country, we know that it is fully covered with sand and almost there is no availability of water out there. So desert are those areas which are hot during the day and very cold at night. It is such places where there is lot of sand and almost no rainfall. So such animals will only resist to those places who have some special features, who could tolerate hotness during day and coldness during night. Some of the examples could be camels, lizard, rattlesnake, rodents, and some more. Let's see some adaptational characteristic of desert animal, that is camel. Camel have a hump which stores lot of water for longer period of time. They have 2 rows of long eyelashes to protect itself, to protect its eyes in desert. Their nostril can be closed according to its suitability. They have long legs. Most of the desert animals also have dull color that blends it with surroundings. They have thick skin to avoid loss of water. Adaptation in polar regions. Polar regions are those places that are extreme cold, and such animals will only survive at those places which can tolerate that cold condition. Some examples could be penguins, polar bear, musk ox, Arctic tern. Now let's see some adaptational characteristic of polar bear. Its predator and prey are unable to see it because of its fur, because of its body covering that combines with the snow out there. The white fur is not easily visible in the snowy white background. It also has very strong sense of smell to find its prey, which helps it to locate and catch its prey. It also has long, curved and sharp claws that help it to walk on ice. It has a layer of fat under its skin, which is also known as blubber, which insulates its body from cold and keep itself warm. So these are some special features that help a polar bear sustain and tolerate that extreme cold. Now let's see some quiz out there, what we have studied today. The first question, an adaptation is a place where an organism lives, a characteristic that improves the organism's ability to survive, a stage in an animal life cycle, or a characteristic that prevents an organism's ability to survive. So a place where an organism lives, not possible since it is a habitat. A characteristic that improves the organism's ability to survive. This is the correct option, as C, a stage in an animal cycle, could not be the answer. It is not also a characteristic that prevents an organism's ability to survive. So the correct option would be a characteristic that improves the organism's ability to survive. Now the next question, a place where an organism or group of organisms live and obtain food air, water, shelter or space or light needed to survive. What is that place called? Habitat, metamorphosis, adaptation, locomotion. If we move from D to A, locomotion not possible. Adaptation is the ability to survive. It is not a place. Metamorphosis is the stage of a life cycle. So the correct option would be habitat. Animals living on land are called. Is it aquatic animal, terrestrial animal, amphibians or aerial animals? Aquatic, let me say, it is those animals which live in water. Terrestrial. This is the right answer, as these are those animals which live on land. Amphibians are those animals which live on land and in water, and aerial animals are those animals which could fly. So the correct option would be D, terrestrial animals. That's all for today. Thank you.